Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect DynamoDB with AWS Amplify via no-code tools, full guide step by step clearly. To connect DynamoDB with AWS Amplify using no-code tools, start by navigating to the AWS Management Console. Log in with your AWS credentials. Once logged in, search for and select DynamoDB from the Services menu. On the DynamoDB dashboard, click on Create Table. Provide a name for your table and set the primary key attributes based on choose the desired read and write capacity settings for your table. Click on Create to provision your DynamoDB table. Next, open a new browser tab and go to the AWS Amplify console. Sign in with the same AWS credentials used for DynamoDB. Click on Get Started under the Amplify section. Select Build an App and choose the Web option. Link your app repository to AWS Amplify by choosing a Git provider. Authenticate your repository and select the branch you want to deploy. Configure the build settings as needed and click Next. In the Add Backend Environments section, select Add Function. Select your function's runtime environment from the available options. Add the necessary permissions to allow your function to access DynamoDB. After configuring your function, click Save and Deploy. Once the deployment is complete, return to your Amplify project dashboard. Go to the Backend section and locate the Data option. Select Add Data to connect DynamoDB via the Amplify Data Store. Specify your database configuration, ensuring it corresponds with your DynamoDB table. Set the API settings to enable the interaction between your app and DynamoDB. Finally, test your setup by accessing your Amplify app and performing the intended data operations. With these steps, your DynamoDB and AWS Amplify are now connected and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.